No. He and I want to get first.
That's new.
I don't go through that. I have a thing in my chest.
You have a pacemaker?
No, I have something else. And my son's special needs. Kyle, go this way.
Sorry.
You're not allowed to use the tripod. Take it off.
I'm not using it.
Oh.
Excuse me, ma'am. Right. Ladies and gentlemen. Alright. Welcome to the Museum of Natural History. I'm not going to be using the tripod for any purposes. I'm only going to use it for balance. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the American Museum of Natural History. The greatest exhibition and museum, the greatest museum in the entire cosmos.
Do you have any passes or you want to purchase some tickets? What? Do you want to purchase some tickets or you have any passes?
I have
Let me see reservation.
the reservation.
Okay, are you going to get a
Whoa! That's still open? Holy cow! Whoa! What happened to the gift shops here? Worlds beyond Earth. Huh. I really don't understand why we need these. Hello.
All right. Is this it? No, that's it.
Kyle has it. Kyle, pull up your thing.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, let me do it.
It's right here.
Can you read me the number for your reservation?
You want the order number or customer number? What? It's 526-96175.
Stay over here.
I know. I'm just getting some footage.
Great, we're New York State residents. We're gonna do.
Ah, yes. The asteroid exhibition. It's like paradise. Huh. Cyrus, Alpha Centauri. Titans. Oh, God, man. Whatever you say, guys. Okay. And I hope you have a great time as well.
Thank you. Hey, Kyle, put this in your pocket. Tie your shoelace before we go up.
Okay, let me just pause.
That's the space there.
Oh, okay.
Go this way.
Okay, put